Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Alia Iliana binti Azra Hisham with the ID number 202062164. In this video, I will explain about our company that we have planned in this business plan report. Now, I will introduce our company background and other thing. Okay, so the idea of the started this per-show business is when the COVID-19 pandemic spread widely throughout the country where Malaysia was also affected. This COVID-19 problem has caused Malaysia to be in a movement control order, which is MCO, to prevent people from going out regularly. After looking from several angles, Ms. Diana has decided to run this business by herself to give benefit to many parties. The business is under sole proprietorship, which was owned by Ms. Diana herself. At first, Ms. Diana only did this survey from her home as an office and used Facebook and Instagram as platform to make posting. But after a few months, this service became more popular and received good feedback by others. So Ms. Diana has decided to buy a shop house as an office at NCT in Sungai Petani, KEDAH. Next, we will go through about per-show name. Behind the name per-show is an abbreviation of the word personal shopper. Per means personal, which is something private that belongs to a single person, while the show is from the word shopper, where it means a person that buys something. And if we combine these both words, it will be a personal shopper, which means that a person acts personally to individuals to buy the necessary item. This name gives a clear meaning to us and also a customer. Now let's see through our company logo. If we see through the company logo, we will see the capital letter of P and S that stand for personal shopper, while the cute trolley in the middle represent the thing we used to buy in the supermarket. In this company, Per-show also put a strong mission and also vision to become more bigger in the future. The mission talk about where the owner want everyone can buy their daily item easily and faster wherever they are with Per-show. Other than that, the vision is to make everyone get the needed item with the best service experience. This is because Per-show have made a promise to give a best service to all customers who buy with them. In Per-show business, Ms. Diana has employed 4 workers to work under her in the office, which is Ms. Zulaika work as accountant, Ms. Alia as marketing manager, while Ms. Shariza and Ms. Jahida work as a runner in delivering item ordered by the customer.
Next slide is about problem. We have identified common problems that faced by people nowadays. The first one is people are unable to make purchase due to a lack of time. We all know that in this era, the small problem could be the biggest problem to someone else. No matter what groups of age, they all got something more important to do till do not have sufficient time to manage other things. For example, we have working people, housewives, and students. Second, we do see the problem faced by the elderly. We understand that they are old enough and not able to move alone and need help from others, especially in getting their goods from the store where they cannot drive and also cannot walk as the store is far from their house. The third problem is malls are frequently packed. From our observation, people does not like to go to a place which is crowded. This situation could be seen when every festival season came where everyone scrambled for their needed. When they're done, they need to line up and pay, which will take time because of packed customer in the store. This situation is not very good as it will contribute to the coronavirus transmission. Not only that, crowded place is not stable for the elderly where they were exposed to the bad environment which can worsen their health. However, in business we cannot see this as a problem. We believe that a problem is a chance for us to do our best. Therefore, we create the best solution in order to help people cope with the problem. That is how Per-show existed. We help people to get what they want. As mentioned, we have several groups of age. Customers who wants to use our service need to contact us by using our social media. For example, we have WhatsApp for place order purpose and Telegram where sometimes we share tips, promotions or other information related to our business. Customers can choose whether they want to get their goods from Lotus or Mydin. We choose this two supermarket because there are many departments in there. Customers can get food and beverage, skincare, their daily needs and clothing and more. We will have runners to deliver the items only for customers who live in area that we covered. We also offer delivery by using the courier service for customers who live outside from the covered area. For payment methods, we offer 2 options where customer can pay cash or by transfer.
Next, I will explain about the opportunity and also a target market. In this survey business, Per-show main target audience is all residents in the Sungai Petani, KEDAH area, including teenagers, adults, and also all people. Per-show main target is housewives, all people and also working people. This is because most housewives do not have a license to drive a vehicle. Therefore, the service made by Per-show provide a lot of convenience and also comfort to them because they just need to make an order only and delivery will be done as soon as possible. Second target audience of Per-show is elderly because the elderly do not have energy to go out and buy things outside, and this service is very helpful to them in getting daily necessity for cooking and also home. The third target is working people because working people sometimes do not have enough time to go out to buy goods, but by using this Per-show service, they are not only able to get their necessity, but they can also reduce their time outside and spend more time at home with family. Now, I will explain about the environmental trend that are be using by Persho service. This environmental trend are providing target market momentum to Persho service, and the environmental trend is social and also web. There are many trends that can be used, but Persho have prioritized to use this both trend because it's more suitable for the service to be carried out, and also it's make it easy to many parties, especially the customer. For the social trend, Persho have provided Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and also WhatsApp for the convenience of customer. When they want to see the new service offer, discounted item, how to purchase using the Persho service and other. The use of this service trend is very incredible because the company can combine their business and also social networking to further promote the service carried out. Customer will feel more easier to see important things related to Persho service by just browsing Instagram and also our Telegram channel. This is because Persho will always provide the latest update to the customer. Other than that, Persho also use web or known as internet as a trend in this service. Web or internet is one of the best way to advertising because many people spend their time in the internet if they want to know or buy something. People also think that using internet will be more easier if they want to ask something from the seller because it is faster. Therefore, Persho took this opportunity by advertising about the service that was done by them. Persho also used a lot of exciting platform and opened a more platform so that they can always communicate with the customer. Persho has also planned to create a special website for this Persho service to make it easier for the customer to purchase goods online. Customers do not have to worry about the payment because they can make payment online when the purchase is being made. They just need to put the item in the cart and check out.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurdayana binti Fazulin. So I will explain our competition. So this one is all our competitors list. The first one is personal shopper IKEA, Kaisen and HomePro. The business choose the popular place like IKEA, Kaisen and HomePro. People tends to buy their houseware and decoration because it has high quality and look fancy. The weakness is the business only focus on houseware and decoration only. The second one is has Shopee. The business has been around for a long time and many people recognize it. In other words, the business has its own entities where people acknowledge them by just hearing their name of their business. The second one, this business also provide the wholesale price for the wholesalers. The weaknesses of this business is this business has lack of communication and consultation with customers where will lead conflict with customers. The third one, Nadia the shopper. This business is successful because they are expert in sales skills, marketing skills and management skills. They also have loyalty membership system so that their customer will always use their services in future. So the weaknesses is this competitors only covers one area where the area give customers not so many choice to choose. So, in order to compete with these competitors, Persho create some uniqueness where all types of product are available to be delivered to customers. For example, food, groceries, stationeries, and so on. So, customers tend to use our service since it is easier to just only hire one personal shopper for all type of product that they need. Persho target customers is for the entire Malaysian, where the company can both delivery for house, for KEDAH, and do postage for the other areas other than KEDAH. The fees charge is affordable where it can help in attracting customers to use Persho service. We are available to have consultation with customers for the product suggestion. We might offer advice to clients to help them make the best choice. As example, if customers ask advice for clothing product, we can help them build self-confidence in their look through giving advice which clothing is the most suitable and fits her. The customer will be super satisfied with their choice and the product and our services too. Okay, let's proceed. Next, I will explain about our marketing strategy. So, marketing strategy is concerned with decisions relating to market segmentation and targeting and the development of positioning strategy based on product, price, promotion, and distribution decision. The first one is price. Persho provide service to the customer where the company act as personal shopper. Customers may list the product that they want to buy and Persho will purchase on their behalf. After that, Persho will deliver the item by cash on delivery or postage as the customer wish. Therefore, Persho do not fix the price for the item. Customer may follow the price that has been set up by the store, Lotus and Maidin. However, Persho will charge for the service and the price is as follow. Fees charge for each item is RM1. Delivery charge within 3 km is RM4. Added charge if more than 3 km is RM1 per 1 km. For postage, for the West Malaysia, we will charge RM8. For the East Malaysia, we will charge RM10. Persho did not charge exceed what customer can afford. This fees charge is affordable for the customer, whether local community or students. Second one is product. Persho main service is help people to buy their desired things such as food supplies, houseware, beverages, clothing, and more as long as the item is from Lotus and Maidin. So, Persho use this opportunity to grab a chance becoming the most successful personal shopper service. The third one is place. Persho is located in Sukan Petani, Kedah. As the location is at town, there has supermarkets that are quite large, which allow people to get anything they want. So they have many choice for their needed grocery or needed products. Next, we also have promotion. Promotion is defined as the activities to communicate about the product or services. A promotion strategy is a plan for getting the attention from the customer and influence them about the business, generate more leads and increase the engagement. In order to ensure Persho achieve the marketing objective, the business will have a promotion on certain day. For example, festive season. The next one is service and warranty policy. A warranty is guarantee policy given by the manufacturer regarding the condition of the product. As per show, only as personal shopper, the business did not have a specific warranty policy. However, for certain items such as electric products or gadgets, it have its own warranty. Although Persho is located in Sungai Petani, Kedah, the customer outside the area still can register and use the warranty of the product as people can do it online. So the last one is distribution. Persho use social media to distribute their service. Persho create the channel on the Telegram to provide the available items at Lotus and Maidin. Customers may join and choose the item they needed. Besides Telegram, Persho also use other social media to stay connected with the customers and to find new potential customers. Persho also provide consultation where customer can get advice regarding their purchase. This tactic will contribute to the Persho sales. Besides the social media, mouth-to-mouth marketing is used to distribute this business too. This is for the customer who are aged more than 40 or elderly who did not use social media. Okay, next, I will proceed to explain about our operation. So the first step, our sales operation is customer will chat us for the consultation through our social media such as WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, or so on. We will try to give the best suggestion until they feel satisfied with their choice. Then they will submit the order there. They will be needed to fill in the form which we will obtain their name, address, and their order with the quantity. We will also suggest them whether their order will be delivered by our rider or by the courier. After that, they will choose how will they pay the order. They can settle their payment through online banking or cash. For those customers who choose to pay using online banking, they need to settle their payment first before we assign the rider. Next, after we settle the payment, any rider will be assigned randomly. They will go to the nearest Maidin or Lotus, nearest to them. They need to find the product and the product that ordered by customer. After they get all the items ordered by the customer, they will directly send the product to the customer's house if the customer chooses to deliver by our rider. If not, the rider will directly go to the courier office and post the order. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Breakeven. Next, I would like to explain financial projection. Stress when the firm will achieve profitability. Firstly, customer expectation management. No matter how big the market is a failed approach if businesses are unable to meet the needs of their customers. Customer satisfaction is not only the job of the delivery partner, but also of those who operate in the place of origin, such as shopping mall, grocery stores, and so on. As a result, it is difficult to bridge the gap that exists between shipping partners and store owners so that they can work together and meet customer expectation proactively. Secondly, uncertain market pricing. Apart from the customer base, the price of goods is highly variable. Prices in the goods sector are influenced by several things. Shipping companies often struggle to follow market prices and to set the right pricing strategy. Along with tackling inflation and the widening income gap from their partners, freight forwarding services must also focus on implementing offensive pricing structures or else stay competitive. This puts further pressures of margins and affects profits. Thirdly, the logistic problem. Freight forwarding firms face enormous logistical hurdles. The scope of receiving higher orders from certain location, allocating the appropriate number of vehicles, maintaining quality of goods and other important logistic-related problems faced by freight forwarding companies are some of the critical logistic-related issues faced by freight forwarding companies. Restaurant and delivery service must consider all of these factors when deciding on a long-distance logistic plans. Next, when its cash flow will break even. First of all, the break-even point is a professional measurement for predicting when your company will become successful and when it will have enough revenue to pay all of its expenses. Break-even is when revenue equals expenses and is neither a profit nor a loss. To inform cash flow estimates, the break-even point calculation can be slightly modified. Cash flow break-even point is the point at which the firm will need to either get more funding or dispose some of its assets in order to pay its fixed costs. Cash flow break-even differs from normal break-even calculation in that it evaluates when your cash expenses equal your cash earning, whereas standard break-even determines whether you make a profit or lose money. For your information, the formula for calculating the standard break-even point is break-even point in units equal fixed cost divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. And the cash flow break-even point formula is cash break-even point equal to fixed cost minus non-cash expenses divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. This formula assumes that your only source of cash income is sale revenue, but it can be easily adjusted to account for other sources of cash revenue that your business receives on a regular basis. The key difference between the cash flow break-even calculation and the normal formula is that non-monetary expenses are subtracted. And why is it important to have a cash flow forecast? Break-even analysis is a useful calculation to utilize when creating cash flow estimates. Understanding the bare minimum of revenue required to pay bills, suppliers, and workers is critical to keeping your firm sustainable. A cash flow prediction can assist the company in predicting and planning for periods of good or negative cash flow in the future. Next, I would like to explain the milestone that Pershaw Enterprise should follow. So, based on the slide, this is the activity deadline that we have prepared. As you can see, firstly, project kick-off that will start from 5 September 2018 to 7 September 2018. Project kick-off is the first meeting with the project team and the client of the project where applicable. This meeting is the time to establish common goals and the purpose of the project. Secondly, business requirement. At September 2018 to 30 November 2018. And then ordering of materials in production quantities will start from 16 December 2018 to 25 December 2018. And then starting of production or operation will start from 26 December 2018 to 31st December 2018. Lastly, receipt of first order and delivery of first sales will start from 1 January 2019 to 15 January 2019. That's all from me. I would like to pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Now, I will gladly explain about financial support. The owner of Pershaw Enterprise, Nur Dayana, has contributed a capital of 15,000 ringgit. For your information, our company does not make any loans. Next is about how we will spend that money. Pershaw Enterprise use the money to pay salaries, rental payment, utilities payment, office supplies, insurance, and many more as shown in the slide. For the conclusion, Pershaw Enterprise is one of the services that is increasingly in demand by every citizen in Malaysia. This is because by using this service, people may limit their outside mobility while continuing to go about their regular routine as usual. Next, Pershaw will always give their best to the customers. Pershaw Enterprise will make sure that this service will run more smoothly. Good quality product and service can be found at Pershaw Enterprise, and this service will definitely not disappoint you. Other than that, Pershaw Enterprise will use its own website to further facilitate purchases and searches that customers want to do. Customer may simply search for the services they require on our website and add them to the shopping cart for purchase. Purchases can be made with cash or online payment. In future, Pershaw Enterprise will not only provide customers with quality local products but also branded and popular products from abroad. Customer can own all of these items just by simply use this Pershaw service. This service is not only available in Malaysia but all around the world. Abroad customers can also use this Pershaw service if they want local product on in Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.